of pure blue. So let's mix Phthalo blue and Hansa yellow. And look at the green we get now. Look how pure and pretty that green is compared to this one. This one is muddy. This one is pure. This one is brighter. It's clearer. We'll pull out this pigment wheel once again. We'll find Phthalo blue right here. Find Hansa yellow right here. And as we draw a line in between the two, we are on the outside of the wheel. Ultramarine blue is up here, and when we draw a line between it and Hansa yellow, we see that we go to the next tier. We go towards the middle of the pigment wheel, and we're dragging it through the dirt again. So that's how you know which colors to use to mix your colors, your secondary colors. These were the primary colors. We've just mixed your secondary colors over here. And it's just really good to know that we made a prettier orange here because we used the naphthol red light right here, which is the red that is a yellow biased red. We made an orange with the naphthol red, but it's a blue biased red, and it's not as pretty, it's not as clear, it's dirty. When we made our violets, when I used naphthol red light, which is the orange red, or the yellow red, and ultramarine blue, we made it violet, and it's a nice color. But when we used the blue biased red, which is naphthol red, with ultramarine blue, we didn't go through the color wheel, and we got a purer, cleaner violet. Now both of these colors are pretty. There's no wrong color. But there is a color that works better for what you're trying to do than the other color. These down here, the greens, we made a muddy green when we went across the color wheel and used ultramarine blue and Hansa yellow, but when we used Phthalo blue, which is a blue, which is a green based blue, sometimes it gets a little tongue-tied, but and the yellow, we stayed on the outside of the wheel and we made a prettier color. Phthalo blue is a blue-green. Ultramarine blue is more of a true blue. So that's what happens when you pay attention to which colors you're using, what side of the wheel they are. When you take your pigment wheel and you take the time, put it in a clear sleeve protector, sheet protector, take the time to find out what the two that you want to use, and draw a line in between. And the farther out on the wheel you stay, the clearer your color is. If you cross this middle, you're going to get mud. You're going to get a tertiary color. You're going to get a dark color. Many, many times you're going to need that. But for the purpose of the color wheel, we want the clearer colors. So, hopefully that kind of made some sense. And if not, then please be sure to contact me and let me know.